morning guys, in front of me is Redmi Note 15 5G and let me show you how to allow unknown sources. So first of all, enroll the settings, then find and select privacy protection, go to special permissions, and here you will notice install unknown apps. Just mark to open, and now pick the app that you wish to give this permission to. For example, this one, then just mark allow from the source. Now you need to be aware that install apps from unknown sources is a highly sensitive permission. If you grant this permission, your private information might be leaked and your property might be at risk, so just be aware of that. And if you are, just mark that you are here and tap on OK. And now it is active. If you wish to do it for any other app of yours, just mark it in the same way. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.